In this video, I will show you how to create an impressive logo for an upcoming company. We are going to go through the logo design processes, from getting the logo ideas, designing the logo icon, adding letters, to the mock-up stage. Without much ado, let's jump right into it. This video is brought to you by Brandon Graphics channel, and my name is Vincent Annie. Today, we are creating a logo for a travel agency called Travel Care. Their preferred logo type is combination mark, which is a combination of image, also known as a logo icon, and letters. Examples of companies that use combination mark logo type are Burger King and McDonald's. The inspiration I have for this logo is to use a human symbol to depict 1. Traveling to and fro with ease. 2. Caring. 3. I'll find a way to weave in the location symbol into the image. And also, I'm going to use typeface and colors to evoke the air of adventure, warmth, excitement, and the thrill of exploration. Let's go on with the design of the logo icon. I will tell you what I'm going to do. I will grab the polygon tool and create a triangle. I will make the radius 50 pixels and the number of sides 3. And we have our little triangle, but we turn off the fill and enable the stroke color. We don't need the fill. Before duplicating our triangle, we'll first round its corners. Then hold the Alt key or Option key and duplicate. Let's duplicate again. Isn't it strange that from inside these triangles, a human symbol will emerge? We will wait and see. We will select all these, go to Pathfinder and divide them up. Now they are divided, yet grouped. We will go to Object and ungroup them. Now we are going to add a fill on each partition. This will help us to see the shapes formed by each partition clearly. A bunch of interesting shapes we have here. I already know what we are going to do, and that's because I have practiced. We will select this side and duplicate it. We will do the same thing to the opposite side and place it like so. We will rotate this while holding the Shift key. We will select the two parts of each bar and unite them. Now we no longer need the stroke. Our logo has to be smooth. It's a good practice to first design your logo in black and white before adding colors. A good logo should be memorable even without colors. I will tell you the next thing we are going to do. We're going to add the text. We would like to keep travel and care separate. All caps is too strong. It's better the letters are all the same case. In that case, the lowercase will be just fine. Now we can change the font type. Product Sans Regular is the closest to what our design wants. But the letter T is somehow ordinary. Therefore, we change the letter T to a different font type. Rockwell is just fine. We'll do the same with the letter L. I think the look has significantly improved. We can make the travel tighter. I am pretty okay with this, so let's work on care. We'll first change the font type. No way. Product Sans thin is just fine to me. The thinner typeface creates a perfect contrast that we are going for. I have a problem with the letter C though, and sometimes you are not able to find a matching font. So you create your own font. Just to show you how to do that, we're going to create a letter C. We create a circle. Swap to the stroke color. We will use the line tool to partition the circle. We will select all, go to Object and outline the strokes. Then use the Shape Builder tool to delete this part. Now we have our letter C. We can make it thicker by increasing the stroke size. We will go back to outline the stroke we just added, and we will merge everything by uniting them in Pathfinder. We are going to insert the letter C that we've just created into the word care. Now we have to also increase the weight of the rest of the letters in care. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, and the YouTube algorithm will push this video to more people that need to see it. And that's how you help my channel to grow. I appreciate you. And now is the time to bring in the tagline. We're almost done, so let's begin to align all the different logo elements properly. One thing is missing from the logo icon, and I will tell you what's missing, is the head. We use the elliptical tool to create a circle and position it like so. At this point, we will use the ruler for the bottom alignment. This is not well aligned. In a real project, spend more time to achieve a perfect alignment. The last stage is applying the brand colors to the logo. We have 3 colors plus white for our brand. We'll properly align the logo icon, and we can see in this symbol The image of two legs facing away from each other. This signifies flexibility and commitment to take you to and from your destination. The hands clasped in a protective way, signifying how the client will be cared for and protected. At the heart of the symbol is the location icon, which is exactly the business of travel care agency. We select everything and convert them into a shape by expanding. And that's our logo for an upcoming travel agency, Travel Care. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like my videos.